If the data is structured in such a way that the lookup value is in the top row rather than the first column, and you want to look down the rows for data rather than across the columns, use HLOOKUP. Here is syntax. Lookup value, the value to look up. Table array, the table from which to retrieve the value. Row index, the row number from which to retrieve the value. Range lookup, optional, a boolean to indicate exact match or approximate match. Default is true, approximate match. HLOOKUP searches for a value in the first row of a table. When it finds a match, it retrieves a value in that column from the row specified in the row index number. We have sales in the first row, and in the next row we have commission percent and then level. To look up the level and commission percent for the sales amounts in the sales column, use HLOOKUP and approximate match. To look up commission for sale amount in B2, use this formula. The lookup table is from cell G2 to J4. Log the range using absolute reference so that you can copy the formula down. Pass true as range lookup for approximate match scenario. Since commission is in row 2 of the table, pass 2 as row number for commission. To get the level, pass 3 as the row number. To find the exact match, pass the last argument range lookup as false. To find the level for the rating, use this formula. To download practice Excel file, please click on the link in the description. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.